Hello everyone! Hello mga students! Pagpatuloy natin ang ating lecture series sa Partnership Accounting. At sa ngayon, nandito tayo sa lecture 10 ng aking series kung saan ang pag-uusapan natin is admission of a new partner by purchase of interest. So, dito na natin pag-uusapan yung mga computational aspect ng partnership accounting. Okay, now, when we are talking of admission of a new partner, normally, nag-a-admit tayo ng mga partners kasi sabihin na natin na kailangan natin ng additional expertise, na meron siyang specific na skill set na wala currently doon sa mga partners, o kaya naman kailangan natin mag-increase ng capitalization. Okay, or for other reasons, the partners may admit a new partner in the partnership. Now, when we are talking of partner admission, meron tayong dalawang types, o meron tayong dalawang klase. At meron ako ditong ipresenta sa inyo, this is yung purchase of interest and then the contribution of assets or the purchase by investment. So, ano bang difference nila? Pero sa ngayon, pag-usapan natin itong purchase of interest. Yun yung emphasis ng ating topic. Okay, now, let me tell you the rules in admission by purchase of interest. Okay? So, meron ako ditong tatlong rules na gusto kong bigyan ng DN para ma-identify ninyo kung kailan natin kino-consider ang purchase of interest at kapag purchase of interest, ano yung rules, no? So, first, an incoming partner is buying a portion of the interest from any or all of the existing partners. Or, an incoming partner may buy the whole equity of an existing partner in the case of a withdrawing partner. So, pwede kang bumili partially or full equity ng isa sa mga partners or majority of them or all of them, Depende kung paano yung magiging agreement. Kung saan, dito, when we are talking of purchase of interest, it is more of a personal transaction. So, walang pakialam dito si partnership. In the sense na hindi madadagdagan yung assets mo, yung liabilities and equities ng partnership. Tandaan ninyo, ito ay personal transaction, partner to partner. Walang effect ito doon sa iyong partnership's assets, liabilities, and equity. It will remain unchanged except that there will be a change in the equity. Pero as to the amounts, walang magiging difference. Yung payment, yung pagbabayad ng interest, it will go directly to the selling partner. The third item that I want you to take note, sa libro ng partnership, ang kailangan lang is to record the transfer of interest. Pag sinabi natin ditong interest na term, ito yung capital ng mga partners. From the selling partner, transfer of interest from the selling partner to the buying partner regardless of the amount paid. So, kung yung porsyento na binili ng incoming partner sa isa or higit pa sa isa ng mga partners o sa lahat ng mga partners, yun yung i-record doon sa libro at wala nang pakialam si partnership kung magkano yung actual na binayaran. Kung mas malaki man ito or mas mababa doon sa halaga ng equity na binili. So, meron tayo ditong simple illustration to illustrate the purchase of interest. Pero tatlong cases ito, tatlong case scenario. Basahin ko lang muna ito, M and N are partners who share profit. Ang partners na existing ay si partner M and si partner N. Ang kanilang profit or loss sharing agreement ay 3:1. Si partner M, 3. Si partner N, 1. Okay? And they have capital balances of 40,000 and 60,000 respectively. Gustong pumasok ni O. O wants to enter the partnership by purchasing a portion of N's interest. Okay? And now, prepare the journal entry to record the admission of O under each of the following independent assumptions. Now, let me correct it lang, kasi dito sa A, B, and C, yung isa, O purchased 1/4 of N's interest for 15,000, pero sa letter B, O purchases 1/2 of M's interest for 18,000. Samantalang sa letter C assumption, bumili si O ng 3/4 ng interest ni N for 51,000. Pero kasi dito nakalagay portion of N's interest. Okay, so please forgive me doon sa error, pero we will follow this kung sino yung binili, kung kaninong interest yung binili, kung sino sa partners M or N. Puntahan natin si case letter A at ganito ang ating magiging solusyon. Ang binili kasi dito ay 1/4 ng interest ni N for 15,000. Remember na yung kanilang capital balances before admission ni partner O ay 40,000 and 60,000. 40,000 kay partner M and 60,000 kay partner N. So kung ang binili dito ay interest ni N, which is 60,000 and 1/4 noon, paano ba yon? This one 60,000 times 1/4 or 60,000 divided by 4, that is 15,000. At yung actual na binayaran ni partner O kay partner N ay 15,000 din. So sa case na ito, parehas equal yung halaga ng equity sa actual na amount na binayad. Pansinin ninyo O purchases 1/4 of N's interest. Ang magiging journal entry natin ay ganito. Yung selling partner, babawasan natin kasi yung equity niya ita-transfer or yung portion ng equity na binili ita-transfer doon sa admitted partner or sa buying partner. Kaya dito makikita mo N capital, which is the selling partner, debit 15,000 and credit O capital, which is the buying partner, for 15,000. So notice na walang involved na cash dito or walang asset movement. It's more of an equity movement. Transfer of interest from the selling partner to the buying partner. Okay, so ganun lang ito Now, notice for the case 18.A or dito sa scenario A, yung purchase price equal to the book value of the interest acquired. Inuulit ko lang kagaya ng nabanggit ko na kanina. Puntahan natin ngayon ang scenario letter B, kung saan naman bumili si partner O ng 1/2 of M's interest for 18,000. Kung saan dito, si partner M ay merong 40,000 pesos. Now, kapag kinumpute mo yung interest na binili, 40,000 times 1/2 or 40,000 divided by 2, 20,000 yung itatransfer natin dito kay partner O. Okay? Galing kay partner M. Kaya dito makikita mo M capital yung naka-debit kasi siya yung selling partner. Careful lang kasi dito sa example M and N baka magkamali lang tapos yung credit ay doon kay O capital for the amount of the interest acquired regardless of the amount actually paid. Kung 18,000 ito, di 20,000 pa rin ang i-credit natin. Lugi nga lang si partner M doon sa naging agreement. So parang may bonus doon sa incoming partner. So yun yung parang dating nun regardless again of the amount paid, we will credit the amount to the partner's capital, yung buying partner, yung admitted partner, for the amount of interest or for the percentage of interest purchased. Next tayo. In this case, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na na-advance ko na-explain. The difference is a bonus given to the selling partner to the buying partner. Okay? Solution letter C naman tayo. In this case, si partner N naman yung pinagbibilhan 3/4 ng kanyang interest for 51,000. And remember, yung kanyang interest before admission of partner O ay 60,000, which is this one. So, papaano natin kukumputin yung biniling interest? Simply, 60,000 times 3/4. Okay? Which is 75% nung 60,000 mo, and that is 45,000. Sa lagay na ito, medyo lugi si incoming partner or si partner O. Kasi, 51,000 yung binayaran niya, ang credit lang sa kanya ay 45,000. Yung difference, which is, how much is this? 6,000, that is a bonus to the selling partner. So, kumbaga, bonus doon kay partner M. Ang halaga ng naibawas sa kanya, 45, ang natanggap niya, 51,000. But it is still a personal transaction. Walang effect doon sa partnership assets liabilities. Ano? Just a transfer of capital, so movement ng equity. Okay? Again, that is a bonus, pero in this case, given by the buying partner to the selling partner. So, that's how we deal with purchase of interest. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan kung magkano yung percentage na binili, yung purchase of interest, yun yung i-credit natin. Pero don't worry, for practice examples, for practice scenario, mga problem solving, pag-uusapan natin yan sa mga susunod, magbibigay ako ng mga sample illustration, sample computation, kasi ito medyo simplified lang yung approach natin. So, hayaan na natin na yung mga computational aspects, ibigay natin doon sa mga problem solving. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito muna tayo sa lecture 10. Please wait for me for the lecture number 11 and sa mga susunod pa nating mga lecture series. Bye-bye!